Today we're going to be talking about regrouping with adding. Sometimes people call it carrying, and I might use both terms in this video, so I want you to be familiar with them. Now the first thing to remember is that in a double-digit number, each number has a special place, and even beyond that, there's special places for the numbers. The first place is called the ones place. The next place is called the tens place. We won't be going any further than that today. So let's think of a double-digit number, like 42. If I look at 42, the number on the right, the 2, is in the ones place. Then when I go over, the 4 is in the tens place. So I know I have 4 tens and 2 ones. It's like 4 groups of 10 and 2 left over. Now when you're doing regular double-digit addition, it looks like this. 42 plus 31. Now when you're doing double-digit addition, always remember, you always start in the ones place. Then you move over to the tens place. So I'm going to start adding in my ones place. 2 plus 1 equals 3. I keep everything nice and lined up, and I write my 3 under the line. Then I move over to my tens place. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I write my 7 nice and neat right under my tens column. 42 plus 31 equals 73. Here's where the fun begins. Now we're going to do double-digit adding with regrouping or carrying. So I've got a brand new number. 28 plus 43. So we're going to start adding in our ones place. 8 plus 3 equals, do you know? You're right, it equals 11. But here's the problem. I'm only allowed to write one number down here. And 11 is a double-digit number. So here's what I do. I take this one and I put it right here. Then I take this one and I give it to the tens place. If you look at the number 11, that one is already in the tens place. He's just trying to hide with the ones. So you give him to the tens place, and then you add up the tens place. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 71. So 28 plus 43 equals 71. Now when I'm doing my double-digit addition with regrouping, I like to think of it like I'm baking a cake, and I have an extra cup of sugar. Here's my extra cup of sugar. I gave it to my tens neighbor because he didn't have enough sugar to bake his cake. Let's try some of these together to get some practice in. You ready for another one? We're going to do a different one. We're going to do 29 plus 24. Everything nice and neat and lined up. I can see my ones place. I can see my tens place. So we start adding in our ones place. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Well, I can't put two numbers right here. I can't write my 1 and my 3. So I write my 3 here. Here's my 13. So my ones place 3. I write here. And then I take my 1 and I give him to the neighbor, the 10. And then I add my tens place. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 2 more equals 5. So 29 plus 24 equals 53. Is it making sense yet? Let's try one more together. It might help you out. Are you ready? 37 plus 36. So I'm going to start adding in my ones place. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Let's look at the number 13 again one more time before I start writing it. I have the 3 in my ones place. And I have this one. He's really in the tens place. So, 7 plus 6 equals 13. So I take my 3 and I put him right here. And I take my 1 and I give him to the neighbor, right? He's my extra cup of sugar. I give him to the neighbor in the tens place. And then I add 1 plus 3 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 37 plus 36 equals 73. Good job today.